Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dana, and if you recently purchased a topper or you have one that you just can't seem to get it to blend and look natural, then no worries. I've got 7 expert tips on how to blend your topper and make it look completely natural. So let's get started and I'll show you those now. I want to show you 7 tips on how to blend your topper and get it to look completely natural. And as you can see, I have hair, but it's just very flat. I like to call it skinny hair. So the toppers are a great fix for me to be able to get added fullness, more coverage, and just have a great hair day. So let me show you those tips now. Now the first tip I want to start with sounds kind of obvious, but one, you want to make sure that you're matching the color of the piece and the style as close to your own hair. And it doesn't have to be totally perfect, but as long as it has the same tones and everything, because typically the pieces come with a mixture of 2 or 3 tones sometimes. And the next thing is the style. If you have curly hair and always wanted curly hair, if your hair is bone straight, a lot of times it's gonna still go straight even if you curl it. So try to get something that is at least similar to your own. You don't want to go too long if you have a short bob, just because it'll look stringier at the bottom. So first step, try to match your color and your style as close to what your hair is. Now the second step is determine where you're going to put it. A lot of times, once I see the piece, I kind of get it ready. Look in the mirror, make use of the mirror. And since my part's right there, okay, open the clips. And I can pull it all the way to the front, but I'm going to put it a little bit back. Let me see, make sure I have that. I might even, you may even want to just kind of see where, okay, kind of got an idea of where I want to clip it. So swirl it just so it picks up a little bit of the hair. Is that right? I'm checking, trying to check it out in the mirror since I got one to the side. Go around. I mean, the toppers are great. Instantly get the hair that you wish you had, that you can have. Now, I think that's a pretty good spot. So then, and like I said, third step is really just make sure it's secure, that it feels tight, not too loose, because if it's too loose, you're not going to feel like it's secure. And then third step, tease, baby, tease. Anywhere around the edges, I like to grab the hair. Then the third step, you want to grab a little bit of the hair piece and your own hair, and I'm just going to tease. That also helps get it away from your face. Sometimes the toppers have a tendency, depending on how much hair is on them, they may kind of fall forward. And again, I'm just want to hold on to the piece, grab a little bit of the piece and my hair, and as you can see, as I just want to grab some of my hair and the piece. And I'm always changing my hair color, so Yes, I'm scratching my head just to kind of loosen up some of the tease and kind of get it to go back in the direction I want. And this particular piece, I actually added an extra tip. Okay, and that was number 4, I believe, right? Tease, tease, baby, tease. After that, definitely, if you need your piece customized, don't hesitate. Get you a professional stylist. Call on me. I'll be glad to set up a consultation or come out to you to trim or customize your piece. But that's when you get to personalize it, because everybody's face is shaped a little different. And once you have it on, having it customized is just you making it yours. And then after the tease customization, one of my other most favorite ones, looks like I might have to, I don't want to trim my hair. Maybe what I'll do is just probably curl it so it has a little more flip. But my absolute, probably number 1 tip is getting some hair fiber. And there's a whole lot out there. I sell the X-Fusion, but if you already have something like that, if you get in a bind, believe it or not, get you some eyeshadow. But why I'm mentioning that is because if it's kind of thin, even if you have a topper, but you're still thin in that area, this hair fiber is a great little trick. So I'm going to kind of show you, because I am kind of, can you see that? Which way do you see it better? I think right here. Do I like that? I'm not going to worry about this side because my hair is going to be down, but I'm still going to show it to you. Oops. Not too bad. And it's also a great way if you've got some of those natural highlights coming out. This is a great way to conceal it until you have that done. You could always put a little hairspray just to make sure it stays up off your face. To do that, make it full, nice and full. I love it. So don't hesitate. Take time. Get with a stylist. You can always call me. If you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I can come to you and do a cut, trim, whatever I need, because when you have the piece and you do that little bit of tweaking, that's when you really make it yours. And then number 7 is just practice, practice, practice. And once you've done that, did the hair fiber, teased, baby tease, it will look natural as if it's your own hair. I always say it's like a new toy. Get the mirror, put it on a few times, feel what feels right to you, where the placement looks best, and then it'll blend more natural, you'll feel more confident, and you'll have a great hair day. So thanks for watching. I hope these were helpful. If you haven't already, be sure to like, follow me, and you'll get more expert tips like this. Have a blessed day and look great.